Now we will see how we can manage all the ML objects that have been created by us in this demo. So I'll just go back here from this drop down. I've shown this dashboard. So we get a list of all the objects that we have created till now. So we have our batch predictions here, we have our evaluation model here, we have our ML models created here, our data source connection, and the split of our data. So this is where we can use it for further use. So, and now to manage these objects, we can see here that we have a number of options to delete this or update this. So I'll try this out on this evaluation model which I had created. So now I have an actions tab open, so I can delete this or edit this. So let's just try editing it. So I can add any tag to this so that I know where I have to use this for some other data that I have. There could be chances I might use it for a real-time prediction or a batch prediction as well. So I can add a key here. So I'll add, say, batch batch prediction probably, and apply changes to this. So I can see here now that this tag has been added here as batch prediction. So I can use it for further use or identifying that this is why I used this particular model. I can give it a specific name or some identifier that I might use it in future. I'll go back again to my dashboard and I'll try deleting a object from here. So I'll just try deleting some old objects here. I can select multiple and let's say delete. So as I said that a delete option is permanent and you wouldn't be able to undo this action. So if you are completely sure about deleting an ML model or an object created, then only please go ahead and delete it. Else you wouldn't want to try this option as it cannot be undone. So I'll just go ahead and delete, and it's deleting. So I'll no longer see it in my dashboard. So AML says that you have successfully deleted 3 objects. So when we are creating a number of ML models for trying and testing, and we really don't want to keep a lot of objects here or some data that we're never going to use again, so we can just delete it from here so that we have this all refined up. So now I have only 11 objects, uh, or rather, uh, 11 different models and data sources that I can connect to as compared to the 14 that we had seen earlier. So now you can see that you can also press a refresh if you have recently added an object here and it's not visible. So you can find it here. So this was all about object handling in AML. Hope you were able to understand this demo. Also, if you want to do things on this dataset, I've taken this dataset from Pushkar Mandot's blog on medium.com. So you can go ahead and download it and play around with it. Or you can download a lot of other datasets that are available on Google and on Kaggle. So you can just go ahead, download and use AML.